How to install Windows 11 on a computer using an ASRock motherboard. Windows 11 installer is bootable. Connect it to the target computer. Turn on your PC. Delete key. Press the delete key repeatedly to access the ASRock BIOS. Delete key. ASRock BIOS. In the BIOS, follow these steps. Advanced. CPU configuration. AMD fTPM switch. With Intel, select Intel Platform Trust Technology. AMD CPU fTPM. This step enables TPM 2.0. Next, set up the computer to boot from the Windows 11 installer. Boot. UEFI. Set up the computer to boot from the USB drive. Apply changes. Exit. Save changes and exit. Yes. Set language. English. Next, set keyboard. Default. Install Windows 11. I agree. Next. I don't have a product key. Windows 11 Pro. Next. Accept. Select the drive to install the operating system. Delete all existing partitions on the drive hard. Partition 1. Delete partition. Unallocated space. Next. Install Windows 11 Pro. Install. Installing Windows 11. Wait until the country selection screen appears. I'm using a local account, so I open the command prompt window. Use the Shift and F10 key combination. Shift F10. Shift and F10. Command prompt. Enter the following command. Start. MS. CXH. Local only. Username. Enter username. Next. Set privacy. No. 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 Accept. Done. Thank you for watching. Good luck.